my name is Neerja Bhandari. I'm a fully certified and licensed immigration practitioner. We at Swift Immigration Solutions provide services for all immigration matters. We are here to help the community to fulfill their dreams for permanent residency, study permits, work permits, and visitor visas. We reunite families under family applications, spousal applications, and super visa applications. We provide services in English, Punjabi, Hindi, and Urdu. Hello everyone, thank you for being with us today. Today we are not going to talk about any immigration programs. We are celebrating 10 years of Swift Immigration being in origin. So we started in 2011, though I have been a consultant for a year extra, but Swift Immigration came into existence in December 2011 and it's been a very fruitful and happy journey since then. A lot of struggle, but we'll not talk about that. I will say it's been a lot of growth, professional and personal, in these 10 years. It's been a good journey. My father usually says that don't do things that you love, but love things that you have to do. That's what life is all about. And I think it's really proved nice to me that I chose immigration and immigration chose me after that, and it became a good journey. I've been a businesswoman all my life, but picking up the skills and honing the immigration practitioner skills has not been an easy task. Initially when we started, my husband and me used to sit in our office because he's my partner. He looks after the business side of it, financially and marketing and staff hiring and all that stuff he looks after, while I look after the clients. And we used to sit in our office, and my initial mentors used to tell me, oh, if you don't have clients, at least study cases, look into law, go and attend appeals, so at least you are sharpening your tools so that when clients come you're ready for them. And yes, it has worked. Sharpening the tools was fun, but it was nice that when opportunity arose, I could work at it. Initially when I used to get cases, it felt they're too difficult, or people only come with twisted and turned cases, and I'm not getting anything simple. But over the years it is interesting that people only come to me because they know I'll be able to help them through those twists and turns. So it's worked out. It's really worked out. It's been a good journey, and in today's time it's very challenging. And I enjoy those challenges because every day immigration is coming up with some new news, some new changes, and you have to keep yourself updated. So it doesn't give you time to sulk and sit in corners and worry about things that do not matter. You're always at the go to make things work. So many people have joined in those 10 years. They've been workers, they've been staff members who've become family, there have been so many consultants who are now my best friends and colleagues. It has given me a new family. So I will keep it as the most precious part of my life, and I think this is my last stop. A person who has changed so many professions over the years, I think this is my last stop. I'm enjoying it so much, and these 10 years have proved that it was a fruitful journey. When I'm holding hand with people, they were also holding my hand too. It was both sided. If my clients were holding my hand, I was holding their hand too through that journey, and both of us succeeded. Them having a life, and I'm creating a profession for myself, a life for myself. Um, eh, Through their lives, I learned so many new lessons, life lessons, professional lessons, challenging me to find new ways for them, and then being satisfied that we could bring so many immigrants to Canada from all over the world. Initially, it was only some Indians who would come to me, but over the years, now when we see we've served people from so many different parts of the world and they become part of our lives. It's been a very interesting journey, and we are still growing. And as I say, I'm a work in progress. We are still learning more, and we are raring to go ahead. And hopefully, it's a beautiful journey ahead too. Thank you for being with us, and I look forward to many more joining with us and making it a beautiful voyage.